What do you do if you love driving vans, but yet you still like driving fast cars? Well, I've got the answer for you. You could, if you wanted to, buy my RS4 powered VW transporter. So this is my 2007 VW transporter with the engine out of a B7 Audi RS4. It's 4.2 V8, and then we put a couple of turbos on it. It's producing 832 brake horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque through a quattro gearbox, or quattro drive system should I say, 6-speed manual gearbox, and regrettably it's for sale. So if you're seriously interested in buying this, send me a message on Facebook or Instagram at Not Just Campers if you want to make me an offer that I can't refuse, and we can talk further.
This is still a VW transporter, but that is where the similarities end, because under the bonnet they've installed the B7 RS4 Audi engine, the V8, and they haven't sensibly upgraded it or tuned it. They've gone mental. They've fitted twin turbochargers to the V8 to pump the horsepower to a whopping 840 horsepower. Four-wheel drive system from the Audi. It's got loads of all the running gear and everything from the RS4 has been put into this, so it will have good traction. How it's going to deploy that to the tarmac without braking itself is going to be interesting. What a rush. Woohoo! That is awesome. The time on the screen says 1 minute 30.8, which is extremely fast. I was hoping it might get into the 30s, but 30.8, that is the same time as the Aerial Nomad, and it's a second faster than a BMW E46 M3, which is pretty mega.